So this is the right place where the ninth Sanjaya again explains to all of us, to Dhritarashtra, with the two verses. As a Sutradhara, as a commentator of the program, he is explaining what state is Arjuna now. What could happen? Now the first two slokas are done by Krishna. As an answer to that, Arjuna gave his present state and then surrendering. So he has a student in front of him who is ready to do. Now it is Sanjaya who says, yeah, this is the trigger. Now Krishna will start his lecture. Right? So this is being explained to us with a trigger by Sanjaya. Sanjaya Uvacha, ninth one. Sanjaya Uvacha, Eva Muktva Rishikesham, Gudakesha Parandapa. I told you, whenever the names are being used, must be very careful. Gudakesha. Gudakesha is, here Arjuna is being called as Gudakesha. Gudakesha is the person who conquered his sleep. He doesn't require sleep. He knows how to stay without sleep. Eva Muktva Rishikesham. Having spoken to Krishna, who, the Gudakesha, the person who will not sleep, when there is a task given to him, he works overnight. Stay with full sleeplessly he can work. Parantapa. That person who can do this is, what is his state now? He is a Parantapa. Who is that Parantapa? Who can destroy enemies. There are two adjectives given to Arjuna here. Gudakesha, who doesn't want to sleep, who can fight. So he has the ability to stay and sustain in work. And second ability, he can fight. There are two things which he can do. He can fight and then he can stay without sleep. That means he has got the physical ability and he has the skill. Both are there. But now what stage is that man with all the abilities? Who are they? People like us. We have lot of facility. We know how to do things. But what are we doing? We are sitting without doing anything. Why? Karpanya dosham. That is the stage in which Arjuna was sitting. Na yotsya iti govindam. Na yotsya. Without any utsaham. The attitude is lost. Ability is there, but attitude is lost. Beside Govinda, the giver of every pleasure, Govindam is making people happy. And there is Nayotsya, without any initiative, somebody is sitting beside someone who can give happiness of action. All contradictions. Sanjaya is not explaining to all of us, this is the real contradiction time. Na yotsya iti govindam. Don't look at word by word meaning. The logic behind it, the inner meaning, that is what is to be understood. Uktva tushnim bhabuvaha. Having addressed Arjuna to Krishna, Krishna to Arjuna. Their initial introduction is over. What happened now? Tushnim. What is Tushni Bhavam? The early morning before wake up, we are already up. We woke up, but we have not got up. We woke up, but we have not got up. What is that state? The laziest state. That is what Arjuna's state now. He woke up. He told Krishna, I want your guidance. But the way he is sitting is like early morning how somebody is on bed, though he has got 100 things to do. That's why Vivekananda once told, most of the Bharatiyas are in Tushni Bhava. This state of Arjuna is where most of us are staying. We know how to do what to do. But Tushni Bhava, lazy, we don't get up. Bhuvava ha. Bhuvavaha. Becoming that state, he is sitting there. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktva rishikesham gudakesha parandapa nayotsya idhi govindam uktva tushnim bhuvaha. See the state? Tushnim bhabuvaha. Sitting so idle, and his name is what? He can stay without sleep. He is a great fighter. What is the purpose if you have ability and you don't do? What is the use? That is what Sanjaya indirectly telling all of us. This is the stage in which Arjuna is. So what, for such people, probably a kick is required, which already Krishna gave. Now advices are required to make them active.